welcome to the first episode of the Tyreman Unplugged, a series of videos in which we'll be summarizing the latest news, updates and events within the tyre and automotive aftermarket in Southeast Asia. The aim of these videos is to keep our subscribers informed about the recent events narrated in a summarized and simplified way. So let's get started with the very first episode of the Tyreman Unplugged. Goodyear is embarking on a strategic rationalization plan for its Asia-Pacific segment, which includes slashing 700 jobs and divesting approximately 100 retail stores and fleet locations. This initiative is set to have a positive impact, bolstering the segment's operation income by an estimated $50 million to $55 million by 2025. The tyre manufacturer also anticipates an upswing in profitability within its Australia and New Zealand operations as a result of these changes. In addition to job cuts and store divestitures, Goodyear will exit 9 warehouse locations as part of its streamlining efforts. This move follows a similar decision made earlier in the month, affecting Europe, the Middle East and Africa, where 1,200 jobs are slated to be cut. The actions are integral to Goodyear's broader restructuring strategy, with the entire plan set to conclude by the end of 2024. Next up, Maserati relies on Continental tyres for new luxury SUV Grecale. The luxury SUV comes factory-equipped with tyres from the Cross-Contact series. This has particularly been developed for good handling qualities on and off-road. Continental has received worldwide original equipment approval for the Cross-Contact LX Sport in 19 inches and the Cross-Contact RX in 21 inches. Also approved for the Maserati Grecale is the EcoContact 6 in 20 inches. The tyre is designed for energy-saving and noise-optimized driving, making it especially suitable for the hybrid version of the SUV. Vehicles like the Maserati Grecale place high demands on tyres with a high curb weight, high performance and rapid acceleration. With the Cross-Contact series, Continental's developers have therefore designed tyres that offer short braking distances on dry and wet roads and effective drive. Webmax Cloud Workshop solution helps improve efficiency. One Hard Garage became a Webmax Cloud Workshop solution user in 2020. The system was given by ProWheels distributor to reward its well-performing dealers. The Webmax Cloud Workshop system, an all-in-one solution for ordering, invoicing, inventory, human resources, and accounting system, enabled the company to streamline their daily operation. The system allowed easy access to the company's data and stored information from anywhere and anytime with any device using an internet connection. In addition, automatic signing and reports could be printed in seconds. So that was it for the first episode of the Tyreman Unplugged. Thank you very much for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest news, reports and upcoming events of the tyre industry. We look forward to seeing you again.